Lush greenery marks the plains near Ali Khail in the federally administered tribal areas or FATA. In summer 2010, the devastating monsoons had caused havoc for the people. Mrs. Khwaja is a mother of 9 children. She experienced a major downfall in her life when she found herself having nothing. Immediate help was needed.
قربانة توصل دودر وسرم سرقيت سمنشتي. بس بينك برخيوسي وروش. هم بلاش باي بقى وتوري رورم بشهر شروط. ده هو ده بقول دي ولنا. ده ربنا سندرا خطأ. سندرا بندرا خطأ. ده صبر خطأ اللي بيجي ده بابا ثان رهاكو. بيامو دي كوتة كي بات شو وسمون مباسيورا. ده كامرا. ده انتو سندو ده نملي تو جوړي څوک جوړوي موږ سره څه شي دي په دې ډېر خوشحال شوم چې موږ خپله کمره په خاره وکړه په ډېر خوشحال
Ali Khail is one of the 27 villages affected in the natural disaster and cooperating with FLP. Rooms of houses and boundary walls were destroyed, and entire segments of regularly used transport ways washed away. Many families had lost their livelihoods and homes in the heaviest monsoon rains in decades during the summer of 2010. To provide immediate reconstruction assistance, FATA Development Program reallocated special funds to FLP. After conducting on-site damage assessments, the facilitating partners of the project developed standard designs and calculated precise budgets to ensure satisfactory completion. As work progressed, payments were made in tranches. The construction is of brick and mortar, more resistant to rains and floods than previously damaged mud houses. A total of 45 rooms and 185 boundary walls have been reconstructed or repaired in Jamrod and FR Peshawar, benefiting 230 families. 30 quick impact projects, also financed by the FLP, have been finished or are being finalized. Urgently needed small-scale infrastructure projects are making their impact in communities served by the project. The project is managed from Peshawar.
Our main objective was to ease the pressure on the hard-hit communities that we work with by restoring as much damage as possible as quickly as possible. The communities themselves had decided in form of consensus which households should be provided with support since available resources were limited.
People here say that the community-based organizations were extremely supportive in identifying vulnerable families and monitoring the rehabilitation work. Many wells for drinking water are useless today. This is hard work to get a little water. New wells must be dug and equipped with pumps. Thankful for a tankful. This recently constructed reservoir has changed life in Ali Khail.
دا کوم پروجیکټ چېرته موږ ته منظور شوی دی سره ډېر هغه شوی سهولت دی د څه تراسې کورونه دي کم از کم د ټول ته اوبه وري ډېر هغه ورسره پې هغه شوی دی
ډېر سخت ضرورت و تقریبا 220 فیملی دي اندازن نر واړه ستر که نه دا د ټولو کورونو ته مخه وه او چوله وه بلکل مطمئن نه بلکل صحیح دی نه وایم که نه
Facilitating access to clean water is a request always voiced. Time-consuming and hard activities just to fetch water. This will change.